Let's learn and knowledge. Preposition. Prepositions are a major part of grammar that allow us to write fun, complicated sentences. But what are prepositions? And are they really that useful? Without wasting any more time, let's learn about prepositions. What are prepositions? A preposition is any word that can be used to introduce a prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrases are phrases that can be used to modify nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. For example, the sentence, Billy went to the park, uses the prepositional phrase to the park to tell us where Billy's destination was by modifying the verb went. Preposition examples. Let's look at some common examples of prepositions and how we would use them in sentences. List of common prepositions. Prepositions appear in lots of sentences, and some of the most commonly used words in the English language are preposition. Some frequently used prepositions include to, for, of, from, by, in, on, at, with, about, among. Examples of prepositions in sentences. A preposition is the first word of a prepositional phrase. The following sentences show examples of how we use preposition in sentences. I went to the market yesterday. By tonight, it should stop raining. For many people, Friday is the best day of the week. We sat on the bench under the tree. Lions are the considered the kings of the jungle by many despite the fact that they live in the savannas of Africa. Types of prepositions. We use a lot of prepositions in sentences. Prepositions are often used to describe different types of relationships or abstract ideas. Some common instances where we use prepositions include references to location, direction, and time. Preposition of place or location. We can use prepositions to explain where something is located. When we do, we can describe the thing alone. Examples of prepositions of place and location examples. The following sentences give examples of prepositions that describe something's location. Sunny stood at the corner. I live in Chicago. The dog sits on the desk. These next few sentences show how we can use prepositions to explain where something is located relative to something or somewhere else. We sat at a table behind the mall. The cow jumped over the moon. Billy stuck the letter between the pages of the book. Common prepositions that can also refer to location include at, in, on, by, inside, outside, under, over, across, above, below, beside, near, between, behind, and among. Prepositions of time. Prepositions can also be used to say when something happens. The following sentences show examples of how we can use prepositions to refer to time. He went to the bench after work. The festival starts on Saturday. People wear beautiful dresses during Eid. We won't be able to move until next year. The bank is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Commonly used prepositions that can refer to time include at, after, before, by, from, on, in, to, until, during, since, within, and for. Prepositions of direction. Another common way we use prepositions is to refer to the direction in which something moves or travels. Here are some examples of sentences that use prepositions to refer to direction. The puppies ran toward their mother. The coins fell into the water. My fancy jeans came from Italy. Lucy threw the ball to Charlie. Prepositions that can refer to directional movement include to, toward, in, into, on, onto, and from. Practicing and more exercises will make you the master of prepositions. Hope you have fun learning with us. Thanks for watching.